Jadi harus dikecilin audionya supaya tidak double. Oke. Jadi wait. Bentar deh. Hari ini kita bakal Wih, bentar, apa ini tiba-tiba warning subscription bla 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 suspend. Lu kenapa di suspend tiba-tiba? Wait, kok udah mulai aja? Ntar lu mas. Belum masang thumbnail. Oke, nggak apa lah ya. America was becoming a lows. Kenapa panas banget ya?
Hello.
Oh iya, gue lupa comment to speech-nya dinyalain, anjir. Dia ngomong halo tuh.
Halo Ganteng.
Bego. Siapa itu anjir? Bentar. Sepertinya thumbnailnya sedikit salah. Bentar. Sudah lama saya tidak bikin thumbnail jadi enggak. Apaan lagi tuh? Wait, sebentar. Bentar, wait. Really dude, this time. Aduh, kenapa sih? Tolonglah. Woi. Bentar. PS gua menjerit-jerit, tar lu. Sabar. Ini memang sedikit tidak proper. Bentar. Gimana ya? Broadcast setting. Comment to speech-nya matiin aja kali ya. Wait. Ada. Udah aman. Mari. Kita lanjutkan. Halo. Cepat-cepat sekali Anda.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace. Okay. Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
Nih.
We'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got
Sumpah, ini
as
kenapa
much
sih?
as we did.
Wey, hey, halo. Astaga.
Arthur, any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let
Cok.
Davy rest while he... You know. An old mine in town. Man, it ain't far. Come on.
Astaga.
Come on! Yeah!
Please lah, udahlah. Main live yuk. Saya saya sudah lama tidak live, saya kangen juga live. Saat 257. Dan kalau misalkan gua nggak live, ntar channelnya seperti ini saja. Oke. Apakah
Bring him in here.
kipasnya kencang banget? Apakah saya harus membesarkan suara mikrofon? Bentar, kayaknya harus digedein deh, dikecilin deh. Mana ini? Mana ya? Bentar, kayaknya bukan sini. Bentar. Wih, Astaga. Audio device. Adjust microphone. Halo. Tes. Oke. Good. Ya, sip. Tes. Lu kemana aja? Tidak kemana-mana. Saya di sini terus. Soalnya semenjak Lenong kan YouTube saya menjadi bagus, ya kan? Takutnya nanti kalau misalkan dijadiin live seperti ini, jadi jelek.
Davy's dead.
Nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you were gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Mike scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. Yes? Just for a short bit. Now, I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy.
Davy siapa lagi aja? Jenny.
Sean, Mac, they may be okay. We don't know.
3 yang nonton. Boleh lah ya.
Awesome folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But we're gonna ride out and we're gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. By the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through
Ya
worse
warteg
than
yuk lah,
this
gas
before.
ayo. Abis gue live stream.
Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong.
Ceritanya mereka lagi kesulitan gitu.
With me. We ain't done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right. We've got some work.
Stay with me.
We ain't run into them yet. So, they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure.
Oh gitu, aduh.
I ain't had time to ask
LL.
What really went down back there on that boat?
We missed you. That's what happened. Come on.
Tolong.
Oh. Hey, you need horses? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand.
Produser Rob Nelson.
Get indoors, son.
Tadi gue lewat warteg ada yang buka.
We need you strong. Okay.
Warteg Bahari.
Come on, let's go.
Ini Anda ngapain?
Gonna find out here, Dutch.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stick to the trail.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon.
Surat faster.
Yeah. Bridge coming up. Take it easy.
Pagi sore aja apa pagi sore? Oke, R1 ngerem.
Can't believe we lost Davy too.
He's the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days,
Pinkertons.
we'll be on the other side. You
Geng lain kali ya?
help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Wait, is that someone coming towards us?
Siapa tuh? Siapa itu depan?
You up ahead. Who's there?
Halo,
Micah.
Maika.
Gentlemen,
Found anything?
Oh Maika, teman dia ya?
Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay. Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's too bad.
Katanya ada rumah.
Davy was a real fighter. Both of them counted
Mati lu yang apa? Cok.
was
Kenapa Anda?
Sean,
We don't
Konteksnya lagi apa nih?
quite a business.
Badai,
You're all right, Micah.
blizzard.
Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Bentar lagi karakter lu mati. Tahu banget lu gue liat.
Hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always
Us,
turn out
4
right
cok.
for that boy.
Ya nonton. Lu.
Mac and
Ini emang baru-baru live stream memang seperti ini. Ntar tinggal sebiji aja.
Let me take the rear. You move up.
Double tap and hold. Talk to Micah.
You sure about this, Micah? Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else? Old mining camp, back up the hill, huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed. Well, we got a few less now, so you should be happy. That ain't fair, Arthur. I earn my share. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Snuff and status.
Terlalu banyak anggotanya katanya. Jadi
Best you two lie low on this.
dia tidak merasa tidak adil sama yang di camp yang cuma nunggu dikasih makan. Ya kira-kira gitu. Sedangkan kita susah-susah cari makan, ngasih mereka makan. Help, yes, play. Oke, help. Ya, corn.
Let's hitch up here.
Center core, infus how quickly your help revolves. Oke. Push. The hitching post. Hitch. Kamu kuda tunggu sini ya. Aku mau ngecek rumah itu.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Someone's having fun in there.
Oh
iya dong.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than
Oke.
three nasty-looking degenerates.
Kita harus ngumpet.
In that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front.
Karena supaya mereka tidak nyangka yang aneh-aneh. Katanya sih seperti itu.
Hello? Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Ah, gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks. Dying on the
What?
trail.
We got a problem.
There's a
What?
corpse right here.
Corpse?
I just need some
There's a body
food.
in the wagon.
Oh.
I hear you. Just keep
Okay.
your eyes on Dutch.
I think you should,
Weapon wheel. Sorry.
buddy.
Shall we?
Now, friend, I ain't asking.
Langsung double kill, bro. Oh shit, rip aim, sabar. Oh no, sabar. Window. Di atas. Loh, ini ada aim assist ya? dulu. Oke, kita kejar. Nice.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Goddamn O'Driscoll boys here.
O'Driscoll? Siapa lagi O'Driscoll ya? Ini ya? Geng lagi ya?
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Oke. Copy that.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need
Classic oat cake.
medicine.
I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Eat something. Apa tuh? Saya show eat. Oat apa tadi? Oat cakes.
Looks like the poor bastard was married too. At some point.
Jake and Sadie.
Eat it or drink it. Put it down.
Jake and Sadie.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right.
Sadie
Maybe
siapa?
Hiding up here too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Sadie wedding. Oh enggak, ada yang cuma
About the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
supplies. Medicine chest. Dapat tuh. Open health cure.
Place is
Yang sudah
dry,
terbuka.
warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Oat cakes. Oh, peluru.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking.
Oke.
Grab anything you think we can use and meet me out here.
Koin. Oh, duit. Canned vegetables. Lumayan nih. Makanan semua. It's buka. Sayur-sayuran kaleng. Ada lagi? Blood. Nothing. Okay. Let's get out of here.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur,
Ini bisa
go
di
see if there's anything in that barn.
loot nggak?
Micah, you search the cabin, see what we missed.
Barn.
Sure.
Okay. No way. Oh no. How to attack bullet? Oke, sip. Mana?
This guy just
Gak
jumped
usah.
me.
So
Oh, did he now?
mantep.
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Call.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. Now, I
Mau
don't know
nyolong
more than
apa
that, I
namanya,
swear.
nyolong kereta, ngerampok kereta.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Really? Spare kan nih, kayaknya spare. Lepasin tidak nih?
You won't see me again, partner. Please, partner.
Oke. Ya udah nggak apa lah ya, kita lepasin kali ya. Kalau misalnya dilepasin dia ngelapor ke geng dia nggak nih? Ah ya udah, spare aja.
Get the hell out of here. Go.
Pick up your gun. Lepasin, sip. Pick up your head. Oh.
It's okay. Easy. You're okay.
Lu orang pada delay ya? Ininya. Lead the horse. To the hitching post.
Yeah. Figured he won't get far in this anyway.
That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
Di mana? Di sini. Oke. Terus tiga gendong. Oh. Kenapa?
Oh, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing, ain't ya?
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't.
Uh-oh.
Michael, look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool! Michael!
Miss. Nah, it is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm. Miss. Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on. Oh.
Rada goblok si Maika ya, cuma
3 days ago.
sudah.
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here.
Tas.
You come
Oke, gue
with
habis.
us.
Rada tolol ya anaknya.
It's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Yang tadi fotonya. Oh iya, gue belum nge-share ke Discord loh. Share dulu kali. Kita kembali ke base camp sementara kita.
Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back. How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but we weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food,
Ya udah.
and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler.
Tumben ini gue dapet notif, biasanya kagak. Ah udah, kadang emang
Give her a drink or something.
kadang nggak dapet
And Mrs. Adler,
notif.
it's
Ah
gonna be
udah, nggak tahu
okay.
gue.
You're safe now. They turned her into a widow.
Gue juga apa namanya ada nyalahin apa namanya nyalahin notif
3 days.
live streamer,
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will
nggak
show
dapet
you the way.
notif.
Mr. Morgan.
Sekarang notif malah yang kayak reels gitu dah, nggak jelas
Thank you,
banget.
Miss Grimshaw.
Mr. Bell,
Kayaknya recommendation gitu-gitu doang. Motif
How
sekarang.
come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch of darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
Apa nih? No. Yes. Ini sepertinya sudah ada yang main. Oke. Udah ganti ke YouTube Short atau Reels, berarti sudah tidak mendukung video challenge. Udah ganti ke YouTube Short atau Reels. Nah iya, gue pengen ngupload apa namanya YouTube Short. Cuma tidak ada bahan, Pak. Apa yang mau gue upload?
Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. You?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in two days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed.
Si siapa? Suaminya Abigail hilang. Sudah tidak
Thank
terlihat
you.
semenjak 2 hari yang lalu, katanya seperti itu. Pasang facecam, Mas, pasti ada bahan nanti. Nah itu dia, saya tidak punya facecam.
For all we know, he kept
Beliin kali.
riding north and never looked back. He wouldn't leave. Not like that. Wouldn't be the first time.
Again, kita sekarang nyari John. Aduh, aku aku mulai pegal. Sini uang lu transfer. Lah. Gak gitu, Mas.
Hey, I see some smoke. Come on, let's take a
Hehehe.
look. Let's hope it ain't more
Johnny-nya.
Driscoll.
Lu gabut banget apa, El?
Well, seems somebody left
Masih jam 2 loh.
recently.
Baru tuh.
That way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river. Arriba. Whoa.
2 hours ago, most.
Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
Gabut cowok, biasa jam segini gua makan, makanya gua makan.
You think it's John?
Iya ya,
You tell me.
lapar lagi gua.
These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. And suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Watch out for this crevice.
Change camera distance and perspective.
Dutch killed
Okay.
a girl and
Bisa first person, bre.
but it was a bad
Boleh,
situation.
boleh.
That ain't like him, though.
Ngapa tiba-tiba nggak di belakang?
We continue along the cliff wall here.
Ah, ini lebih enak nih, deket.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hard again.
Cinematic kamera keren juga ini.
We don't move fast.
Boleh. Change cinematic kamera. Ah, Ini. Tet 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 teret teret teret. Set ini. Norak banget bocah. Leg jancok. Emang nge-lag ya? Ora harusnya. Aduh, lapar gua, keroncongan, ya ampun. What? Don't see anything. Oh, ini. Astaga, kuda. Dari kiri. Suara si John. Ayo. Naik dikit. Oke. Ada suara ya, Cok? Oh. Shotgun. Oke. Oh, nuker. Ini shorty. Perang itu yuk, bantuin yuk. Tahu lu. Tapi tidak ada suara apa namanya, nggak ada suara-suara. Tuh, nggak ada suara-suara tembakan, cuma dia doang. Sumpah, anginnya kencang sekali. Depan lagi. Ngasal yo, ya Allah. Stamina. Gue aja gak pernah lihat orang main RDR. Ya, sekarang lihat dah. Ya, ada gunanya juga gue main ginian kan. Game Rockstar memang tidak mengecewakan. You can access your satchel by holding. Sumpah, stamina gua. Jatuh deh. Jatuh. Ntar ngulangnya ribet lagi, Cok. Males banget gua. Isn't it? Ngapain lu?
How you doing? I'm miserable. Been a tough few days. I know.
Whiskey.
Take a drink of this.
Sepertinya gue juga gak tahu. Oh, nggak, Kentucky Bourbon. Ya, pokoknya minuman yang dapat menghangatkan. Tuh, dia tuh detail banget. Ada sampahnya di situ, Cok. John. Marston. Oh, berarti John Marston namanya. Marston kayaknya nama belakangnya itu. Marston. Mana dia? Mana, Cok? Astaga, Anda kenapa? Cakaran.
Never thought I'd say this, but good to see you, Arthur Morgan. look so good.
I don't feel too good neither.
Hewan buas ya. Beruang kah? RDR itu game terrealistis yang pernah ada.
Don't die just yet.
Kelihatan sih, sudah kelihatan bro.
Come on, compadre.
Well,
Walk.
can't go back the way we came. Let's try this way.
Ain't you a sorry sight?
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you weren't the right man for this.
Sure you did.
You all right?
I think so.
Come on. Hopefully this will lead us out.
Oke. Oh, sepertinya ini dia yang menyerang John. Lihat dulu aja.
I'll distract him while you get to the horse. Go. Draw him off.
Oke, mari kita lawan si Utrut itu.
John, come on. Let's get you on that horse.
Over here. Here. Right here.
Oh shit, miss. No. Astaga. Nice. How to reload? Gimana reload? Oh, bullet.
Okay, let's get going before any more of these bastards show
Mana
up.
kuda gua, mana kuda dia? Oh, ini kudanya. Cepat. Lagu tegangnya masih ada soalnya. Ayolah. Berarti bakal masih ada lagi. Enak
Come
juga
on,
nih shorty.
then. Let's get back to the others.
Ayo.
Yeah.
I don't feel too good.
You'll be fine.
Hati-hati jatuh. Hey.
It's just like a dog bite.
Dia udah like a dog
Knew a
bite.
fella got bit by a dog. Died an hour later.
You ain't gonna die. Not yet.
Dia pesimis lah.
More
Uh-oh.
coming down the hill. Ándale, güey. Get the hell out of here.
Tidak mati, cok.
Oh shit, there's more on the right. More coming in on the left. Wait up. Get the hell out.
Sabar. Nice. Hampir ya kena kuda lu. Mas.
You see any more, Arthur?
Don't think so.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
You're gonna be okay. We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course.
You're welcome.
That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says, I'm lucky.
None of us are lucky right now.
Awas jatuh. Hey. Halo, John Marston. Halo.
Should ride in the water for a bit. Try to lose a scent. Don't want to leave a trail right back to camp.
You know,
Oke.
we're
That's
gonna
smart.
need to come up with a better story for that scar.
So, freezing,
Dia
bleeding,
apa namanya ke sungai supaya tidak ada jejak kudanya.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
Manja banget minta dilindungi.
See those
Habis
buildings
diserang
up ahead,
serigala
John?
dia.
That's where we camped. Nearly
Ah,
there.
ini dia. We're back. Halo.
John!
Mana orang-orang?
Someone help John down off this horse.
Can we get some help here?
Kemana orang-orang? Halo. Halo.
Can we get some help? We need some help here.
Come on, help him
Ah,
down.
ini dia.
You're alive! You're alive!
There we go. There we go. Ay, careful, idiotas. It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank you.
Got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Have you and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this?
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East? Into all that civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
Kayaknya kalau misalkan dengerin dari apa namanya, dari yang si Javier ya namanya tadi, ya, berkuda sama kita, mereka habis atau apa gitu. Pokoknya mereka punya duit, tahu-tahu si Pinkerton sini nyerang perahu mereka. Ya gitu. Terus ada 3 orang mati, si siapa? Pokoknya ada 3 orang aja. Lupa gue siapa. Healthcare sudah perlu. Classic oak. Oh, tidak ada. Oke. That's enough.
You have been shot at before, Jose. I don't feel that this is honestly anything new.
Dia kenapa mereka ke api? Oh, biar hangat ya. Halo, Javier. Oh, Javier. Ya, gak boleh nyolong. Bukan saya.
Days on the lam, you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course. Shut up, Micah. I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess
siapa lagi tuh?
folks missed them. I fell, but when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall, there'll be a party.
Probably. Funny, huh? Sure.
Hmm.
I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Como Driscoll's needing punching hard. You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
And the last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Como Driscoll. Let's go.
Como Driscoll. Kayaknya nama gengnya O'Driscoll. Cuma Colm itu kayaknya nama orang sepertinya. Kayak gitu. Soalnya tadi yang kita interogasi di rumah pas malam itu, si Dutch nanya,
And this is about
Where's
more
Colm?
than revenge for business long ago. They were talking about trains and detonators here. Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Oke. Rame-rame kita.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest.
Rame lu belakang.
Near some lake.
Okay, let's go
Random.
find these bastards before they find us and rob this store they're planning.
Oke. Kita sinematik oke. Buat nyari informasi tentang si
Horses, quite a few of them.
Horstrad.
As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Of course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my ideas recently, but this is the right move.
Okay. You know I got your back.
I learned a long time ago that you hit Colm O'Driscoll. Wait for him, and people you love will die.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another. It will be.
Bill?
Some things I can
Siapa lagi
forgive,
sih Bill anjir?
others I can forget.
Buset
What
tuh
he
kuda.
did to Hannibal,
Gendut amat. Gede amat.
His brother, Dutch.
Kudanya si
yes,
Mas-mas
I
ini.
did. I hope the bastards will be reunited soon enough. That's how this will end.
Itu dia sepertinya markas mereka.
See that smoke? Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close. Yeah.
Ketabrak. Maaf.
Hold up here.
Oh, that here. Set. Gue juga pengen kali ngomong. Ya Anda.
All right, gentlemen. This is it. Are we goddamn ready?
Ready, Dutch.
Good. Now, Mr. Morgan and I,
Harus
we're
sana
gonna head
dong.
up here a
Nah,
little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp.
ya, nice.
Mr. Williamson, Mr. Bell, you two take up a hidden position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two
Kalau gitu.
hold position here. Let's go.
Oke, berarti yang nyerang cuma 4 nih. Apakah ada senjata? Itu nggak bisa diambil ini. Bentar, halo. Saya tidak bisa ngambil. Ini tadi. Halo, saya tidak bisa ngambil itu. Rifle saya, hei.
Go with Dutch.
Oh yaudah. Lenny. Oh, scouting dulu kita, ya ampun. Bilang dong. Itu yang dua siapa sih? Bill sama siapa? What do you see? Banyak
They
sekali.
are. That's definitely them. Home? I think so. Yeah, that's it.
Yuk, gue cabut ya, mau turu. Aman. Santai. Ngantuk emang jam-jam segini. Oh, ini Colm.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy. No.
Oh.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get him?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there. And much less fun to rob him and his score if he never finds out about it. Come on, let's get down there.
Ngezoomnya lumayan juga itu teropong ya, binokular. Oke.
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Grab your rifle. Oh, baru
You
kita
two
disuruh
get up
ngambil.
there and keep us covered.
Sure thing.
Nah, pistol aja cok, jangan pakai shorty lah.
Good. Come on, let's go.
Ayo.
Seems easiest to take the same path down as Bill and Micah. Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now are supplies, equipment, and a way out of here. Everything else, including coal, can wait.
Okay.
Oke.
There's enough of
Kayaknya ini
those
orang punya dendam sama si Colm itu tuh,
Come on.
pemimpinnya O'Driscoll. Oke, lo duluan ya. Si Bill sudah, mereka berdua, si Bill sama siapa tadi tuh? Udah ini. Udah di bawah aja tuh.
It's steep here. Careful.
Okay.
Maybe I should take the lead on this. They're going to be gunning for you.
They ain't got me yet.
No, but the way our luck's been running.
Hush. Let's just get down there first.
Okay.
Follow me. Let's head for that building in front. Stay low. Come on, follow me.
Nah,
Get in cover, Arthur.
So, what are we doing, Dutch? I can take this if you want.
Just make the call. You want to take the lead? Go.
oke.
Okay, I'll go first.
Oh, itu si Micah sama si Bill ya yang di ini. Oh no.
You sons of bitches!
Woo, headshot. Nice. Anjir, belum kokang senjata. Lupa gua. Dari kanan anjir ada.
Pushing forward! Cover me!
Taruh topi gua, mana topi gua? Malah ngelut. Cok, jangan ngelut dulu. Perang dulu. Astaga. PA ya? Gua mau ngambil topi, Astaga, mana topi gua? No, bukan crackers. Astaga. Ya. Pikat. Nice. Nice. Woo. Keserempet doang topi, astaga. Oh shit. Headshot. Banyak banget, gila. Oh shit, trip aim. Nice.
I think that's all of them.
Search the bodies. Strip everything we can from them.
Okay.
You recognize any of them, Dutch?
Kaya kita ini. Ada something di dalam. Ini apa, peluru ya? Oh shit, apa sih, Cok? Oh jarak. Buset, asisnya sih ini banget. Gak tahu tuh dari mana bisa nge-aim kayak gitu. Anjir, topinya. Hey. Dulu. Oke. Sabar. Rip aim. No. Bagaimana nih, Cok? Udah. Loot semua. Nggak boleh ini lootingannya. Kaya lu ya. Item number 1. Anjir, topi gua kemana, Cok? Lupa gua topi gua, ya Allah. Topi jelek. Oke, that's enough. Sabar dulu, ini belum ngeload. Sabar apa? Sabar. Gue mau ngeload dulu, sabar apa? Kentucky Bourbon. Asik ya. Mau ngeload. Tuh, masih banyak itu mayat-mayat nih. Harus di-looting dulu. Malah topi gue hilang lagi. Ada nggak ya di kuda? Cigarettes. Woi.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart. Bill, go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left. All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can.
Chewing tobacco. Mana chewing tobacco? Rokok dulu kali. Terus lah mau ikut mabar kakak, aku sama Ea nggak tahu, lihat aja nanti dah.
Here, this looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Well, looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. Of Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up. Let's keep moving. All right, let's get out of here. Proud of you boys. All of you.
Proud of you boys. Tidak ada topi, udah hilang topi gua. Ah.
Good work, fellas.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like. But we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John.
Karena tamat aku mau live streaming pagi.
Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Cole, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any
Oh,
bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind at Blackwater. That won't happen again. All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground. Hey,
Sunyi
see
sekali.
that fella? Wasn't he at the camp, Colm?
Leave him to me.
All right, we're heading back. Just bring him back alive. He could be useful.
Okay, you got it.
Oke, let's go. And lasso. The order is called. Oke, kita harus tangkap dulu. Open wheel. Lasso. Hold. Hah, too easy. That's too easy, bro.
With me. Please don't.
Oke, kita loot dulu nggak sih?
This is very kind of you.
Oh, God, no.
Health cure belum kebuka tuh.
Please, please, you don't need to do this.
What's your name, boy?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy, Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like. So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please.
Save your breath for screaming. Anjir, serem juga si Arthur.
You're hurting me.
Berisik ya.
Let me go. I'll disappear. I'll go to Mexico.
better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you.
Oh, take it easy. You're gonna break my ribs. Please, I'll do anything. Oh, God, please, no.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will break every bone in your body.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay, okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Udah patah tulangnya. Gara-gara Kak goblok-goblok kuda. Ngerti ya? Nggak orang ngerti ya. And this is it. Hello, everyone.
Here we
Brought
are,
you some.
you sack of shit. Let's introduce you to the boys. Hard, boy.
Come on, Kieran.
Don't hurt me, please.
No, don't worry. They're real nice.
Huh. Found a little shit, did you?
Yep. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no. Now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend. We shoot fellas as need shooting, save fellas as need saving, and feed them as need feeding. We are gonna find out what you need. I can't believe it! An O'Driscoll in my camp!
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister. I hate that fella.
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
We can hit that train. Okay. Really, without a hat? Astaga. Kuda gue punya gak sih? Punya deh. Bentar. Halo. Oh, nggak ada, anjir. Cok. Astaga. Batet dulu deh.
Alright, boy.
Halo, Pak, siapa nih? Pearson.
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan. We're okay.
We have a few cans of food and a rapid. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy.
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
We were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
But when government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. And if needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
I sent Lenny and Bill hunting and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur. Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. If there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along.
Okay, Berarti kita akan berburu bersama si Chow.
Here, you take this. I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun, and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn, I imagine. Come on, this way. Yeah.
Ya ada yang nonton ini.
How are you holding up, Charles?
I'm okay, apart from this hand. Stupid mistake.
Still bad?
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
I sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
Huh. There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't know what he's talking about. Now the weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. We'll head up this way, find some higher ground.
Ngikut aja gue mah. Kemana lu?
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, going out for John, that thing with the O'Driscolls.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just like to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Oke, sinematik. Oke, akhirnya sinematik. Tangan saya bisa sedikit istirahat. Boom. Boom, boom. Enak juga lagunya. Boleh lah. Oke, mari kita bermain lagi.
There's some patches of grass here. This is good.
Ada rumput.
Let's look down this way.
Berarti ada makanan buat
The wind's
hewan.
died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet.
Kirain gue dia nemu sesuatu.
Hey, stop here a second. I see something. Easy.
What?
There's deer been here recently.
How can you tell?
Lihat saljunya deh.
We'll track them on foot. You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse.
Oke, sorry. Bow.
Quiet as you can. Stay low and move slowly.
Oke. Oke, ini ada jejak.
You see the tracks?
I don't think so. Maybe not.
Focus.
Eagle Eye. Oke.
It's easier in the snow, but once you get your eye in, you'll be able to track them as well in the grass and woods.
Mana deh? Kelihatan. Lo. Anjir, tipis banget. Kata sini. Itu dia.
Down there. You see him? Quick, get that bow out, Arthur. Him
4 arrows, string back, and more damage. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Another. Took animal attention by selecting aiming target to give a chance to bla bla bla. Saya tidak terbaca tadi, sudah keburu hilang. Langsung mati loh. Oh, depan lagi. I see movement. Depan lagi. Dengan dijejak. Gitu. Yes, that's it. Ada yang kabur lagi tuh. Okay.
You sure your hands okay?
Let's go. Whistle for your house. House lagi horse. Ya. Lihat detailnya, lihat mulutnya si Arthur. Orangnya tuh beneran kayak oke. Itu adalah salah satu detail yang bisa kita temukan lagi di Red Dead Redemption 2 ini. Jadi saya iseng deh keren. Meet up with Charles.
Ready to head back when you are. Come on, man. Let's head back. Good job.
Okay.
Nice work, Arthur. Should be enough meat here to keep us all fed for a few days.
You found it.
I knew you'd be okay with that bow.
It's easier when they ain't shooting back.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country. We'll find somewhere to lie low. Dutch and Jose will have a plan. Whoa. You notice how Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. We've only been up here a few days and have already picked up 2 more mouths to feed.
One. We ain't feeding the O'Driscoll a damn thing. Except maybe that can of salted offal Pearson was kind enough to give us.
The girl. She has a wild look in her eye.
Of course. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
So what do we do with her?
Well, once we get out of here and we're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Who knows? Maybe she'll deal with the O'Driscoll for us.
Well, I know who my money's on in that fight. He's weak, but that makes him much more useful. Maybe we can get to them before they get to us.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them? I suppose. Yeah, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months. I guess because they've been over this way.
Watch out. bear up ahead.
Bear.
See if we can find another way around.
Mana anjir? Oh itu, astaga, kirain gue batu.
Must be real hungry. Stay well back.
He's got a lot of meat on him.
We've got enough here. No need to push our luck. Spring storms like this are the worst for animals that sleep all winter.
So, what do we do? Tidur deh. Mana sih?
Cut up here, off the trail.
Mana buruan, Cok? Ah, tidak tahu saya.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Something like that?
Bet you didn't expect this.
What?
Any of this. Blackwater mess. Being up here.
Blackwater kayak tempat ya?
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No. No, not at all. Just know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
I reckon you're okay. This suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch... You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes. Dutch is certainly different.
He treats me fair. Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. How long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? 20 years, something like that.
20 years?
Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. Taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things, him and Hosea.
Huh. I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
Loyal banget berarti si Arthur sama si Dutch.
How's that new horse?
He's all right. He'll do for now. I appreciate you letting me take Taima the other night.
She's a strong one. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
Same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
Huh.
Nah, itu dia
I
fan
hope
kita.
they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Up me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him. Yeah, good boy.
I'm gonna hitch Taima over here.
Brought some food back, boys. Careful. Come on, let's get these over to Pearson. Thank you for showing me how to use the boat properly.
I only showed you a little. Takes a lifetime of practice to master.
Okay.
Well.
Ah, nih. Rusak.
What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend? I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
See, you got on just fine. Charles is a wonder. Have a drink, boys. You earned it. Jesus, what is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does. Yes. Oh, seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
You'll be fine in a few days.
Mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together. I'll get to skin you. You're always one with the jokes, aren't you?
Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one, did you? Dumped on the floor there.
Disuruh ini nyopotin kulit. Ngulitin. Jadiin apa? Jadiin beduk kali.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these, sell these, pretty much any town, if you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. We're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
Few days later.
It's been a bad few weeks. But Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. I thought you were reading his last rites. Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Rev. You still here then?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Then you'll pay me. And for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
You want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at us.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Lie still, son. Oh, Abigail. Jackie.
The boy wanted to see you, John.
You see me now. What's left of me? What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of it.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me. We're living. Even you. But we need money. Everything we have's in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Oke. Halo Bang, halo Claudio. Sudah lama saya tidak melihat Anda. Oke, come on. Where's my hat? Aduh ya ampun. Halo Maika. Set epic banget ini.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly provided to us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good.
Oke, Charles udah enakan, udah sembuh tangannya.
Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great.
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to
Ya,
move
ngalangin ini
fast.
Maika.
Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep, Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Maaf bang, udah lama bang, aku nggak mampir ya. Memang. Nggak apa, santai. Aku juga udah lama nggak live stream. Sampai malam loh.
Out of the snow, finally. Feels good, doesn't it? But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing, before anyone gets up here after us. Oh, look at you boys. See? This is what I call
Sudah mulai hijau.
Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escuela, and what about young Lenny here? Always the first man on his horse.
Just happy we're back at him, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
Sudah tidak ada salju-salju.
Stay calm. Keep your eyes sharp. That goes for all of you. No mistakes. Not again.
So we do this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave sitting for too long.
It would be crazy to go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
We go back when I say we go back, and that's the end of it. Money's safe. You'll just have to trust me. And if the O'Driscolls are right, there'll be a stack of...
Nah, ini
There's the
dia.
water tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Wait, siapa itu?
Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want
Oh,
to
itu
head
Bill.
down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Bill. Siapa ini? Oh, itu kuda. Astaga. Kudanya si Bill. Yang gendut. Bill? Halo.
How you getting on?
I'm okay.
Detonator.
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those.
Selamat menjalankan ibadah puasa, Bang. Iya, terima kasih Claudio. Kayak waktu waktu kamu pertama kali ke channel ini pas bulan puasa juga ya. Waktu main Spider-Man tuh. Iya bener, tahun lalu.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do. You head back up to the others. I've got it from here.
Okay. Gak kerasa udah 1 tahun sama aku channel ini. Iya. Tapi aku kayak nggak nggak kayak setiap saat live streaming.
Everything okay? I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute.
Oh, oke. Where's the train? Where is it? Nah, itu dia. Sudah ada suaranya. Nah.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Ayo.
Here we go.
What?
Shit, no! What? God! Oh, you have got to be kidding me! Where did you find that? Who said it was fine?
My fault. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that?
Kejar. Kita loncat ke keretanya. Oke, sip. Go. Come on. Go. Awas, jatuh lagi. Siapa? Javier ya jatuh ya. Lenny. Tolongin. Grab Lenny. Ayo. Oke. You're good.
He fell. The others will get him. Come on, we need to stop this train.
No, Arthur. Nah, kan pasti ada yang bisa di-loot sini. Ayo, loot, boleh. Buset, si Lenny boleh juga. Kilo. Wait, what? Where's my... Okay, here we go.
We best get up there.
Surprise!
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
Okay.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going up. We have to stop this train.
I got these sons of bitches. That's far enough.
Aduh. Apa gue jatuh juga? Rada loading gitu ya.
Come on, let's get to the front.
Oh, udah mati sama Lenny. Oke, boleh juga lu Lenny.
I'm okay.
Cepet ya. Oh shit.
Shoot him, damn it!
How did I didn't kill Lenny? Kayak gitu, cok, gila ya. Gue nembak tangan. Okay. Let's stop. Oh no. There's more of them. Kesian.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
We need to climb the back, right?
Yep, keep pushing on.
Nice. What a flick manja.
I think so.
Good.
Nice.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. Who the hell are the others?
I don't know. Damn it. I thought that was all of them.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are.
Woo. Oh shit.
Hey, that's the other boy.
Anjir, orang kelihatan, cuk.
Move him ahead. Come on, bring him in.
Udah. Ngelut kita dah. Biarin. Udah mati udah teman-teman kita. Nggak usah diambil ya, pusing. Biarin aja kita mah. Wait, sabar apa? Mulut dulu ini item. Lu udah berasa kaya ya, pegang aja. Oh, lu nggak lihat ini, duit gue cuma 17 sen. I don't play any games. Sabar ya ampun. Sabar ya. Ini banyak looting kan kayak gini loh. Astaga. Oke, nah satu-satu saja. Oke. Tuh kan udah 18. Silver pocket watch tuh buat apa kagak tahu gua. Pasti berharga lah. Tuh. Health cure no, dapat peluru lagi, bro. Iya. Ini sangat membantu sekali lootingan seperti ini per orang.
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you.
Any more of you.
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Teams our friends.
Should we light them up?
Wake them up a little.
Ah, masih berani loh.
Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Okay.
Now don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Here we go.
Okay, now run.
You got a death wish. I'd step back, fellas.
Hahaha.
Get on up there. Search that train.
Let's do some vapor.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake. You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya?
Parched. Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid.
$2.000. $2.000 cok gila.
I'll give you that. Okay.
Cigar.
See if we can get this open.
Platinum pocket watch.
Getting there.
A letter.
There. See? That's how it's done.
Udah kelar.
Shit. Just a pile of papers. Bonds? I don't think so. Here. Make yourself useful. At least we all know you can read. Give me those. Railroad contracts, invoices, blah, blah, blah. You got anything?
Not really. Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar. Some fancy new holy water from Europe.
I'm not robbing them.
Ooh, that's a lot of money.
Think I got him.
Thank God. Come on.
Cigar. Ini boleh kali. Ambil lagi kan. Listen. Before I leave. Okay.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Would you get rid of all of this?
Train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
About damn.
What do you think? I don't know. It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us, okay? See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Okay. What are we gonna do?
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. Ollie. Any bright ideas, I kill all three. So behave. Come on. Move.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Iya, cepet. Sorry.
Easy.
Okay.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Semoga saja tidak copyright, bro. Astaga. Apa kita nikmati saja lah ya.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Kita paling belakang. Oh, roda kirinya lihat. Astaga. Nah. Gue baru bilang, rada otek.
What's going on?
I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Well, say less. Pick the wheel up. Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Wait, siapa dia? Siapa itu?
What do you think? If they wanted trouble, we wouldn't have seen them.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. Follow the river, then cut left inland. So,
Gede banget, jangan.
the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country, they lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
How's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. All life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. Yeah. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Driscoll's?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Ngebut deh, kita ngebut cepet.
There you are, brother. Head in there. Follow the tracks for a bit.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
Yeah.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money. A long way from a dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother, but we are safe. We make a bit of money here, then we move again, head out around them, be west of Uncle Sam, in a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, you know, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. And get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There's a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Mr. Shaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Horseshoe overlooked. It's a couple hours.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more. I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier. In spite of Blackwater.
Nah, itu dia topinya. Aduh. I missed that one.
Arthur?
Jose?
Ya.
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Dan sepertinya sampai sini saja dulu episode kita kali ini. Bukan episode sih, ya nggak tahu deh. Pokoknya ya kira-kira kayak gitulah ya. Jadi ya sudah. What again?
Nothing at all. For the first time in weeks, nothing. We're free. We're free to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
And I ain't losing it now. Okay, I'll catch you later, Dad.
Okay, Arthur.
Oke, jadi sampai sini saja dan ya sudah. Bye bye.